Jesus, man. You better take this serious, man. He died for you on the cross, man, for real. Stop playing, he's coming soon, man. Yo, I'm supposed to be scared cause you got a 45. Man, I got a 45, Isaiah 45. I'm supposed to be scared cause you got a 45. Man, I got a 45, Isaiah 45. I'm trying to tell you something, bruh, that you should listen to. Jesus is the King of Kings, man, and he coming soon. You say that you believe, but I see you trapping like a fool. You don't call yourself a brother, man, you call yourself a goon. If Jesus catch you in a trap, man, what you gonna do? I see you riding with a black mask, what you gonna do? You said you wanted all his trap cash and you're gonna shoot. So you pulled up to this crib, man, in an all blue. You got out the car and kicked down the door. You saw so much money, everybody on the floor. This ain't their money right now, man, it's yours. So you feel like a G and you letting it off. Then all of a sudden, man, you saw this bright light and somebody shooting. Oh man, it's Jesus Christ. He didn't even say a word, he just looked you in your eyes. His presence was so strong, man, that right there you died. He placed his hand on you and you became alive. He said, son, what you doing, man, you just killed 5. Son, this ain't the reason why I gave up my life. If you choose to come to me, I make everything alright. Lord, how could you forgive me cause I just killed 5? Who gon' take care of their kids and take care of their wives? Calm down, my son, I'm resurrection and life. Just give your life to me and everything will be alright. So right there, you decided to give your life to Christ and saw the bodies of those 5 men just rise. Now you 7 walk around preaching the grace of Christ and telling the whole trap he died to give eternal life. Yes, yeah, man, for real. The story, it might sound crazy, man, but God will do whatever he has to do in order to get his children to come to him.